from Infinity City Queens. I just wanted to show you how to do the alternate routes on in the Waze app for your iPhone. So what you want to do is, once you have already a route, I already put an address here. What you want to do, you want to go into this icon right there. You can see it right there. I'm going to click on that. It's going to pull up this screen here. We're going to do go now. Alright, so I already put in the route, but I want to put an alternate route. So I hit it again, and you see right there, there's only one route found right now. But if there was another route, I can click up here for route options. These are going to give you, like, if you want to avoid freeways, toll roads, but what you were asking was the alternate route. So let me actually put a different route that's a little bit longer from the dealership. So we'll do this one here. Alright, so you can, again, this icon right there, this one, by the way, if you want to report like police or traffic scenarios, you can do that through the Waze app. But that's the one you want to press, that one, and it'll give you more routes. So it's only giving one route, but if there's an alternate route, maybe I have to do something a little bit further. Let me try this one. I'm going to do new drive. Great, so now we'll hit this, and so it's calculating routes now, as you can see down here, working. And you can see here where it says all routes. Now if there's a better route, that they will give you the option here for all routes. So we'll do all routes, and you can see this one's 23 miles. It'll take me an hour and 5 minutes. That's actually the quickest. The next one will be 28 miles. It's an hour and 11 minutes, and then the third one. So it always goes to the quickest. And then you can do more details in regards to where you're going. So this one looks like it's taking me through the Edward Koch Bridge into the city. But that's how you do it. I tried calling on my phone. I'll send you this video from my cell phone. If you have any questions, you can always contact me either on my cell phone or at the dealership. Thank you.